Greetings, Learwood and Open Door. Today is Wednesday, November 18th, and today is Minnie and Mickey Mouse's birthday.
So wish them a happy birthday. I am Cadence.
And I'm Hope.
And here's your Learwood announcements for today.
Do you like to edit videos on iMovie? Do you have study hall either 1st, 7th, or 8th, and are you located at Learwood? Would you like to spend time editing the announcements? If so, come see Mrs. Walters.
Here's what you can expect this week for lunch.
Attention 7th grade boys basketball players. Open gyms will be held next week starting at Learwood. These sessions are not mandatory and will be held on the following days.
If you have questions, please see Mr. Marlowe in room 136.
Here are your words of wisdom for Wednesday.
As One Direction says, live while we're young. Well, that is all for today's announcements. As always,
Remember, stay safe
and always be classy, Learwood.